In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GIF in Google Photos. This process involves generating an animation by combining multiple photos into a looping GIF. Google Photos allows you to select anywhere from 2 to 50 photos. This feature is perfect for turning cherished moments into fun animations that you can easily share with friends and family. Let's get started. First, let's focus on mobile devices. Open the Google Photos app on your Android or iPhone. Once the app is launched, you will be greeted by your photo library. This is where all your memories are stored. It may take a moment for the app to load, especially if you have a lot of photos. Be patient, as the app needs to display everything before you can begin creating your GIF. You will see the bottom navigation bar, which is crucial for accessing various features of the app. Next, at the bottom of the screen, tap on the Create option. This option is your gateway to various creation tools offered by Google Photos. Once you tap on Create, a menu will pop up, showcasing different creative options. Among these options, you will find Animation. This is the tool we will use to create our GIF. Selecting this option is an important step because it directs Google Photos to prepare for the animation process. Now tap on Animation. You will be prompted to select the photos you want to include in your GIF. You can choose anywhere from 2 to 50 photos, which gives you great flexibility in how you want your animation to look. As you select your photos, be sure to think about the story you want to tell or the moments you want to highlight. This is important because the sequence of the images will affect the flow of your animation. After you've made your selections, tap Create. After you tap Create, Google Photos will begin generating the animation. This process may take a few moments depending on how many photos you've selected. You will see a loading indicator, reassuring you that the app is working on your request. This is a crucial moment as the app is compiling your selected photos into a seamless GIF. Once the animation is generated, you will see a preview of it. At this point, the animation is automatically saved to your Google Photos library. This means you do not have to worry about losing your creation. It's securely stored within your Google Photos account, allowing you easy access anytime you want. You'll be able to view, share, or download your GIF as needed. Now, let's move on to the web version. Open your web browser and go to photos.google.com. Make sure you are signed into your Google account. This step is essential as only signed-in users can access their libraries and create animations. Once signed in, you will see your photo library displayed on the screen similar to the mobile app. Next, select 2 to 50 photos by clicking the check mark on each one. This selection process is similar to what you did on mobile. You'll want to choose the photos that best represent the moments you want to animate. This selection is crucial because it sets the foundation for your GIF. Be mindful of your choices as they will determine the final outcome of your animation. Click Create at the top of the page once you have made your selections. This will open a new menu just like on mobile. The Create button is your command to start the animation process. After clicking it, select Animation. This is the same option you used on the app, and it will initiate the creation of your GIF using the photos you have selected. Google Photos will then create the animation and save it to your library. You will see a confirmation once the animation is ready. This final step ensures that your GIF is stored safely. You can now view, share, or download your newly created animation with ease. Remember, Google Photos refers to GIFs as animations. You cannot manually adjust the animation speed in Google Photos. While you can use photos in certain videos, the standard animation tool is primarily designed for a sequence of photos. This is important to keep in mind when planning your GIF creation. By following these steps, you will be able to create engaging and memorable GIFs in Google Photos. Enjoy sharing your animations with others and have fun reliving those special moments.